Scout is InventoryLab's desktop sourcing tool. It lets Amazon sellers quickly search the catalog, analyze products, and make smart buying decisions. To get started, click Research, then choose Scout. Enter the ASIN, UPC, ISBN, or product title keywords in the search bar, then click Search. Your search results will appear on the page. The search terms you use will show at the top as breadcrumbs. You can click these breadcrumbs to go back to the previous pages. Each item in the results will show product title, number of offers, ranking category, ASIN or parent ASIN, and any product alerts. To view more details, click anywhere on the product line or click the arrow on the far right. If the item has variations, a Select Variation button will appear. Click Select Variation to choose the child ASIN. If you can't find the child ASIN for the variation, you'll need to create it in Seller Central first. After selecting an ASIN, you'll be taken to the product details page. The following information will be displayed: product image, product title, ASIN, target cost per unit, ranking category, size tier, weight, dimensions, prep type, trade-in value, on-hand quantity, and product alerts. The offer section shows what Amazon considers the most competitive listings. Offers are split into 3 columns: new, merchant fulfilled, used, merchant fulfilled, and FBA. Scout uses icons to show which offer is in the buy box and whether the seller is Amazon. Offer conditions are shown using simple codes. Not all offers are displayed. Amazon only provides what is considered competitive. Scout also includes research shortcuts, quick links to helpful tools. These include Book Scouter, eBay, Google, Camel, Amazon Offer Comparison, Amazon Restriction Tool, and your own custom research shortcuts. Click the pencil icon to edit your custom shortcuts. You can also turn them on or off for the list page, Scout, or Scoutify. The share button lets you send product info by email or copy the Scout URL. That's a quick look at Scout. Thanks for watching.